In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop device is not detecting your second or third monitor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area of your desktop, and then you want to select where it says Display Settings. Should be an item on the right side underneath Scale and Layout. This is multiple displays. Click the drop down and then select Detect Other Display. Select Detect and then see if there's an option then to extend the display once it's detected. And then hopefully you should be good to go at this point. Also, make sure you have a proper connection with your monitor and your device. Try plugging into a different port perhaps and see if that resolves a problem. There could also be an issue with the monitor itself, so that's something to look at. And if there's any installation media that accompanied your monitor, I would recommend installing it directly from the manufacturer's website, or if it came in the form of a CD or a USB flash drive, I'd recommend installing it at this time, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.